Hi everyone, back with me again at the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply adjustments or color grading to all of your clips in CapCut. So here I have already imported a few clips to my CapCut, and I'm going to just go to the adjustment menu, click on adjust. Let's say I apply some color adjustment into my video here. Okay, so after you're finished, just click on the check icon and you can see that the adjustment will be automatically applied to only a clip that you choose. And to make it apply to all of the clips, you can just click on the adjustment and drag it all the way until the end of the clips like this. Okay, so after that you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. So don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks below. Bye.